you've ever been to a mall or any high-cost shopping area, you've seen Aritzia and you've seen the lines going in. Well, I'm going to tell you what they just did that sent their stock skyrocketing 20% in one day. This is the financial forecaster. Love Aritzia. Have a ton of shares. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, Aritzia. I'm going to come right out the gate and say it. They doubled their revenue quarter to quarter. Guys, I am just blown away by this, but it is not the hardest thing to see. Now, I'm going to give you some old-fashioned wisdom of investing advice. Now, people said, buy McDonald's because you eat their burgers, buy Pepsi or Coke because you drink their Cokes. And if you see a store that constantly has lines out the door, then that's the kind of business that you may want to look into investing into it. Consumer demand is something that is obviously seen in a lot of cases. And some people think that those cases are it's just an investing nugget that you just want to be on your radar. If you're walking through a mall and you see that a company who is on the market is starting to get lines, the demand is there, and it's constantly in people's okay. The reason I started investing in Aritzia is I work near a FedEx company, and I just saw package, Aritzia. And this was near the beginning of the pandemic. That was when their price was around $20, which is when I started buying in. I think I was even picking shares up at $18. Now the shares are nearly touching 60. It's a fantastic business, and I don't see it slowing down anytime soon. We all know what their target is, and it's Lululemon. And guys, they're going into sportswear. They're going into lingerie, swim stuff. They have so many different verticals of revenue streams going forward. It seems like I don't know if the company is fairly valued now. Technical analysis is not my forte. It's not what I invest with. Unfortunately, I'm a dollar cost averager. I see a dip under my average, I buy some. In the case of Aritzia, with online sales, they have inflation. They can price their product and capitalize on any inflation that comes up because they have consumer pricing power. Guys, I think Aritzia is still a good bet. I don't know at these prices, but again, you never know at these prices. Just hit a thumbs up right now in the comments. Have you ever bought a stock and as soon as you bought it, it started going down? So I'm not gonna say go out and buy the stock. I'm saying I'm not selling. I think Aritzia is a powerhouse Canadian brand. Their online sales are growing. Their same store sales are growing. It's a fantastic company. And until I start seeing those lines at malls start to dwindle off, I'm going to be completely bullish on this company. I think it is a company that, it does have some branches into the States, but there's so much more expansion that it could develop into the future. And that's what people are buying into Aritzia for. It's the revenue growth now, the verticals, the amount of product, and the ways that they're pushing it, the demand, the trendiness, and hey, as a man who can't shop there, Aritzia is all female clothes, as far as I know. I think that going forward, man, Aritzia is a powerhouse in the making. It might be one of the next big retail gems that takes over the world, and it's already showing that with its balance sheet and its revenue growth. Okay, so that's Aritzia. I own a bunch of shares. I think I own about $7,000 worth as of right now. I'm very happy with it. I'm not selling. That's my take on Aritzia. Let's hope it keeps going up. But if it does go down, I may buy more. So that's the financial forecaster, guys. Thanks for jumping in. Thanks for talking about Aritzia with me. Please leave a thumbs up. I'm loving coming back to the channel. Let's go, guys. Let's make money together. Let's do it.